Hello everyone, my name is Harshita Devi and I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed 3-year diploma in electronics engineering from Government Polytechnic Hardoi, Uttar Pradesh in 2021, and after that also I have completed 1 year of apprenticeship from Bharat Electronics Limited, Bangalore, and after that I was searching for job in IT sector. So that time I got to know about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd with a known friend, and after that I got enrolled with the 3 months of course where I have learned about basic networking, Windows administration, CCNA, Linux, and cyber security and many more things, and also done the practical. After that I got selected with the payroll company Excel IT, and my client company name is Whirlpool with the package of 3 LPA. So thanks to Anamika ma'am, Sati ma'am, Priya ma'am, and Ganesh sir, Rahul sir, and Prasenjit sir, and all the Evision team. Thank you.